Hey, hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Is that my voice is audible to all?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes. Okay, guys. So here, before starting the session, I just want to quickly check it. Like, how many are here for software development and software testing? Can you guys quickly reply in the chat box? FSD or FST? Just a reply in the chat box. Everyone, all of you are having chat access, right? There is a chat option is there into the Zoom application. Quickly, everyone. Good. FSD, FSD. Others quickly replied. I'm just checking the messages. Okay, cool. So as I can see that, okay, almost most of the people are here for the software development, okay, for the FSD, okay, and few are for the FST, like software testing, okay. So no need to worry, like today I will just a brief about, like our software testing part, okay, not exactly, okay, complete one. I will take it for another like 15 to 20 minutes, okay, and post that we will be having a FSD, software development, okay, because anyway, for the testing also you all need to learn the Java, okay, that is a mandatory for testing people also, okay. So guys, don't leave the session, okay, no matter you are for the software development or software testing, okay, this session is for the every people, okay. At least you will also understand some kind of, like a QA processes, okay. And because end of the day in real time, okay, in companies, all the developer tester, okay, they are working together, correct. Okay, so I will just brief about, okay, as a part of software testing activities, what exactly you are going to learn, okay, and based on that, we will continue the session. Here, everyone. Okay, cool. So here, FST guys, okay, software testing people, okay. For the software testing, okay, I will just brief about the syllabus part, okay, what exactly we are going to learn, okay, what are things, it will be there as a part of your software testing activities, okay, I'm just briefing it. Post that, we will be having, like a Java session, okay, like parallel, okay. So just try to understand for now. So as a part of software testing activities, first we will start with, like we will start with having what about our IT industry. It looks weird to all of you. Why I'm saying like this about IT industry? How many of you are aware about this IT industry? Everyone? How many of you know this IT industry overall? Any idea? IT industry is what? End of the day, we want to get a job in IT industry only, right? Correct? So here, all of you need to know like okay, how exactly IT industry function, how we guys are actually working it, what are different kind of work we are having it. Okay, how as a developer, test engineers, okay, we are going to work in real time environment. Okay, so those things I will brief it in as a part of this about IT industry. Okay, so you will get an entire or brief knowledge about this IT industry process. Getting my point, guys? Okay, so that is the first activities. After that, okay, we are going to learn about this what SDLC. I hope you guys have heard about this SDLC, software development lifecycle. Correct? It's all about like how in real time we are developing this any of the project or any of the software. No matter you're a software developer or software test engineer, you should have very good knowledge about this SDLC. You should know like how exactly we can develop any of the product. Okay. So for that, we are having this SDLC process, software development lifecycle process, and this SDLC is for every person. Okay, whoever want to become a software engineer. Okay, so for every people, okay, yeah, this SDLC is required. This SDLC process knowledge is required. Okay, so these things we will learn in detail. SDLC process completely. Post that, we will be having something called agile methodology. Anyone heard about this process or this term agile methodology? Reply in the chat box or unmute, or can someone tell me this agile word at any point here and there? Have you guys heard about it anywhere? No? Guys, quickly reply in the chat box. Agile process. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, I'm getting mixed response. Okay, so nothing to worry. Okay, nowadays, okay, this agile is in very like it's in demand. Okay, every company is okay in IT industry. In every company, is okay, we are following this agile process. No matter you are going to join some startup company or MNCs like TCS, Accenture, okay, or any product, any big companies also. Okay, everywhere you will find this agile process. Getting my point? So that things where you are going to learn it properly. Okay, what exactly the agile means, how we are adopting, okay, how we are using this agile process in our day-to-day basis activities as a developer, as a test engineer. Okay, so everything we will learn in details this agile methodology process. Okay, cool. After that, okay, we will be having some, some of the practical tasks. Okay, so this entire process, okay, we are going to discuss, okay, with having some tool that is a Jira tool. Okay, so I can see like one guy have replied. Okay, I think, who is this Tokyo? Okay, so guys, just ignore this kind of messages. Okay, because these are the professional session. Okay, here we are not here for the entertainment. Okay, or something. Okay, here we are here for the providing a knowledge. Okay, to make you guys like we are helping you people. Okay, to get a job. Okay, we are preparing the student. Okay, so they can upskill. Okay, and they can start with their career. Okay, so try to be professional. If you're not professional, then you can't even survive or you can't even think about the IT industry. Okay, so no matter like anonymously or joining this program, okay, or whatever it is, okay, behave professionally. Okay, at least respect to someone. If you're not respecting yourself, I don't care. Okay, but respect yourself, respect to the next person also. Okay, cool. So leave that message. Okay, so here we will learn about the Jira process. Jira is one of the tool I can say that, okay, which every companies are following it. Okay, so as a development, as a testing team, okay, as a project manager, or as a client, okay, everyone is following this kind of tool that is a Jira tool. Okay, so those things we will learn in details properly. Okay, I will just quickly show you guys something. Can all of you see my screen? Just reply yes, no in the message. Can you see something in different screen? Yes, okay. So this is like one of the software, okay. This is like one of the Jiras or one of the tool we can say that, or one of the software, okay. So with that, okay, we can work together, okay, as a team, as a development team, as a QA team, okay, and we can develop any of the product, okay. So these are the real-time activities that we are going to implement as a part of this program, okay. So you can say that something is mentioned like dev in progress. So it's all about developers, okay. Development in progress means you will be doing some of the coding and all, okay. Here something is mentioned QA. QA is like quality assurance. This is for the test engineers. Okay. So developers, QA, everyone will be involved for developing a project. But how exactly? What will be the process? Okay. How we are going to collaborate our work as a developer, as a QA, as a management. Okay. So everything we are going to implement with having this tool. Okay. That is a Jira tool. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute, guys. I think someone is spamming. Okay. No worries, no worries. Okay. Cool. Okay. So using this tool, okay, we are going to implement the entire agile process activities. Okay, that is like our Jira tool. Okay, everyone. So the first things you are going to learn is like agile process. Okay, and with having the agile process, okay, we are going to have this Jira tool. Okay, where end-to-end activities we can implement it. Clear, everyone? Okay. Cool. Now, after understanding this, okay, this is the common for the every people. Okay, no matter you are a developer or the test engineer. Okay, this is the common for the every software engineers. Okay, you should have very good knowledge about the IT industry. You should have very good knowledge about the SDLC process, agile process, and the Jira tool. Okay, this is the most common tool. Okay, after having this, okay, finally we can start with the software testing activities. Okay, software testing concepts. So thoroughly, whatever concepts are required, okay, to learn about the software testing. Okay, so complete things we are going to learn as a part of software testing activities. Okay, and everything you will learn in real-time activities. Okay, everyone. Real time is all about like how in real time our software test engineers, okay, they are performing a testing. Okay, what kind of tasks they are doing, what are the roles and responsibility they are having. Okay, so everything we are going to implement with having the real time. Getting it? Okay, so here the complete process will be there. Okay, for this we are going to spend good amount of time. Okay, so you will be getting good knowledge about the software testing. Okay, even though as a developer, okay, if you are having a good knowledge about the testing, it's really good. Okay, guys, because as a developer also some kind of testing you will be doing in real time. Okay, so along with the testing team, developers are they are also going to involve as a part of software testing process. Cool. So that we will learn it completely. After that, okay, we are going to learn about some different tools. Okay, in between there will be a lot of tools will come. Okay, that is our testing tools. We are saying that like we are having something called Qtest, TestRail. Okay, browser is take. So don't worry about it. Okay, as of now, I'm just mentioning this. Okay, because we have to learn about this. Okay, so browser is so likewise we are having a multiple tools. Okay, those things we have to learn it because in real time companies people are using this. Getting it? Okay, so these tools we are going to learn thoroughly. Okay, moving on, we will learn about database. I think database play important role for the every people, right? I think you guys are also have maintaining some of the database, correct, guys? I think in your mobile, in your laptop, I think that is a very essential part of our life, the database. What you can say? Yes or no? It's an essential part of our career also, right? As an individual, we guys are also maintaining some of the database. Correct, everyone? Okay, so in real time, okay, we will be testing the database also. Okay, like whatever data we are going to store into the application, okay, so those database also we are going to test it as a part of our database system. Okay, so basically here you will be learning what SQL. Understanding my point, everyone? Can you guys just reply in the chat box whether you are getting it or not? Okay, so this is just an overview session. Okay, don't mind. Okay, no need to worry like what we are discussing and all. Okay, because for end-to-end discussion, okay, you have to spend some good amount of time with us. Okay, it's not like within a one day we can learn everything. It's really impossible. Okay, I think you guys can have seen like a lot of like a tutorial or something. Learn the Java in 1 hour. Do you think that practically it's possible? If it's possible, then why we're spending 100 hours, 100 days for just like giving all the full stack development knowledge or testing knowledge? Correct, guys? So there is a lot of things are there. Okay, that we have to learn step by step. Okay, so that's the reason we have to spend good amount of time. Okay, but what are things you're going to learn? That only I'm briefing you. Okay. So we are having a database testing where whatever data we are going to maintain, so every data we are going to test it also, okay, with using SQL. Okay, so yes, Oracle SQL will be there. Okay, so that things you are going to learn it. Okay, so that is there. Moving on, we will be having what our API testing. Okay, so don't worry about it. API is kind of application programming interface. Okay, it's kind of what some of the business logic. Okay, some of the logics we are going to implement to developing the application. Okay, so those logics also we are going to test as a part of our testing activities. Okay, so for this API testing, you are going to learn some tool. That tool is nothing but what Postman tool. Okay, guys, because in real time, right? Okay, most of the companies are using this. So almost every company, I can say that. Okay, to perform the API testing. So that we are going to discuss in detail. Moving on, we will be having what mobile testing. Okay, I think at present mobility fields is growing. Correct, guys? Mobility is all about portable medias. I think most of the peoples are, they are feasible to, they are easily accessing any kind of application with using a mobiles. Correct. So if we are saying that we are having a mobile application, okay, we can do all kind of activity with using a mobile itself. Then for that, we guys are developing a mobile application. If we are developing a mobile application, then definitely we have to perform a mobile testing also. Correct. It's not about mobile device testing, it's like mobile application testing. Okay, so there is a two kind of testing as a part of mobile. What is like device testing? Device means what? That whatever companies we are having like Sony, okay, or Vivo or MI, okay, so LG, so those all the companies, they will build a mobile product, okay, and they will perform a mobile device testing. But here we will be doing what mobile application testing. Whatever software or mobile application we will develop, so how we can test those applications. So that things we are going to learn as a part of mobile application testing. Okay, so that is also there as a part of your program. Okay, and here also we are going to learn some of the tools. That tool's name is Charles Proxy tool. Okay, that will come as a part of mobile testing activities. So that tools also we are going to learn it. Okay, Charles Proxy tool. Moving on, okay, after having all this stuff, okay, finally we can start, like something called project. Okay, guys. So I will be giving some of the real-time projects, okay, and with that project, okay, we are going to implement entire stuff, okay, like whatever things you will learn later, right? So everything we are going to implement with having some real-time project, okay. So with that, you will get to know that, okay, how to perform a testing, okay, what kind of features will be there, okay, what will be your roles and responsibility, what will be your day-to-day basis activities, everything we are going to discuss as a part of this project session, okay. So I will be giving sufficient project, don't worry, okay, and with that you can implement your all the testing skill set. Okay, after that, okay, we will be having some resume building session. Okay, resume building session as a part of what functional test engineer means. As a test engineer, how you exactly you guys can prepare your resume. Okay, so those things we will discuss in details. So I'm just checking with you guys, ever you guys have prepared software testing resume here, or ever, at any point have you guys mentioned the software testing skill set into your resume? I'm just asking to all. I don't think so. No, correct. I think you can mention some Java, C, C++, but I don't think so. You are going to put this software testing blindly. Correct, guys. I think by default, okay, after completion of our engineering, okay, or here and there, I think we guys are putting this language knowledge. Okay, we are having Java knowledge, C, C++. By default, we are putting it. Okay, but directly you can't put this software testing, the skill set into your resume. Because to learn the software testing, definitely you need to know the end-to-end process knowledge. Okay, after that only you can say that, okay, you are having knowledge about the testing. Okay, so that's the reason people are not maintaining your, or they're not putting the testing skill set in resume. Okay, because it's not at all easy task. Okay, or it's an easy task if you are aware about it. Okay, blindly if you will put this software testing, then it like with just a single question I can see that, okay, whether you are having a knowledge about testing or not. Okay, so that's the reason we will be having some resume building session where you will be getting a proper knowledge. Okay, and also you will get your quality resume. Okay, cool. Post that we will be having like our Java session. Okay, miss parallel your Java session will be keep on going. Okay, that is like core Java part. Okay, why this core Java is required? Because we want to do the automation testing also. Okay, as a testers we are going to perform the automation testing. Okay, so this core Java is common for the developers as well as the test engineers. Okay, guys. So parallelly, we will start the Java programming activities. Okay, like a day-to-day basis, parallelly, you will be learning the Java along with the testing skill set. Okay, so that is there, core Java is there. And finally, we will have the what? Our automation testing. Automation testing with Selenium. Okay, so this thing also you are going to learn is as a part of this program. Okay, because if you want to settle your career, okay, if you want to get if you want to get in good position, if you want to get a good career growth, okay, then you must need to go into this automation side where programming things will be coming. Okay, and you will be knowing like how we can perform a automation testing end to end. Okay, so that things also you are going to learn as a part of this program. Getting it, everyone? Yes, no? Quickly tell me. Yes, okay. So this is what the overall, like a syllabus of your testing activities where everything we are going to focus on it. Okay, guys. We will be having some real-time activities with having some tools. Okay. You will be learning the complete testing skill set. Okay. Whatever skill set is required to become a software test engineer, everything we will learn it. Then a lot of tools we are having it. So every tools we will learn in real time. Database testing, okay, that SQL part will come. Okay, again, this SQL is a common for the developer as well as the test engineer. Okay, as a developers, you will be also doing some kind of database activities. Okay, so SQL is a common for the developers as well as the testers. Okay, API testing, API is also required for the developers. Okay, but testing activities basically it will be done by our test engineer. Okay, so with using a Postman tool, we will be performing API testing. Mobile application testing, yes, we will do it with using this Charles proxy tool. Okay, that we will discuss. Some projects will be there. Okay, some multiple projects. Okay, so based on that, okay, we will implement the entire testing concepts. Okay, the resume building, core Java programming part will come. Okay, where you will be writing some of the program. Okay, and based on this programming knowledge, okay, you will be implementing. Okay, or you will be getting a Selenium knowledge. Okay, how to automate the application. Okay, how to perform the automation testing. These things you are going to learn as a part of this complete software testing program. Getting it, guys? Everyone? Is it clear to all of you? There is just a high level syllabus. Okay. I'm not saying like, okay, like I'm teaching in details. Okay. It is just an overview. Okay. Like what all contents are there. And this is a very unique content, guys. Okay. I don't think so anywhere you will get it. Okay. Outside, okay, if you will try, okay, if you will check it, you will get something like you will be just getting some software testing, but you will be not getting everything. Okay. And here, as a part of expertise, okay, we know that what is the expectation we are having into this IT industry. Accordingly, we are going to teach all this testing skill set. Okay. So I hope this is the clear to all of you. Yes. Okay. Good then. Okay. So this is all the syllabus part. Okay. Now I will do one thing. Okay, I will hand over this, like today's session to the Imran. Okay, so Imran, sorry, Imraz. Okay, he's like our Java trainer. Okay, and he will be continuing with your Java activities because, as I have told you guys, this Java is a common for developer as well as the testers. Okay, so we will begin with this Java's activities. Okay, and then parallelly we will start with the other testing and all. Clear, everyone? So be in this meeting, don't leave the session, okay? And we will continue with the next content that is a Java related. Is that okay? Cool. Okay. So just wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. I'm just adding the Imraz. Imraz, are you there? Okay. Just a minute, everyone. Kiran, so the entire course duration will be 4 to 5 months. Okay. But I can say that within the 2 months, okay, you will be learning a sufficient skills. Okay, you can be start within some placement activities. Okay, but for the entire program, definitely it will take 4 to 5 months. Okay, because this Java and automation is not easy, guys. Okay, we can teach within a 1 month also. Okay, but again, you will face a lot of problem. Correct. So we have to learn slowly. We have to get everything's properly. Okay, whatever doubts you will be having, we are going to clarify it. Okay, so accordingly, we are going to proceed further. Okay, Kiran? Yes. Hey, Vital, what do you mean by this placement proxy? Okay, we don't do this kind of activities. Okay, if you are having a skill set, you can get a job. If you are looking for any shortcut, then again you will suffer it. Okay, so if you want to be in IT industry, okay, better get a job based on your skill set. Okay, don't look for shortcut. Okay, if you will do, again you will face a problem after joining. You will say that, okay, I'm not getting here and there. Okay, so first upskill yourself, get a job by your own, like with performing by your own. Okay, the placement part, interviews part, we will be providing, but those interviews you have to crack it. We will not do all those shortcut activities. Okay. If someone is doing okay, that we don't know, okay, or we don't care about it, okay, if what people are doing, okay. But as part of our program, okay, we are doing all the fair activities, okay. First, we are upscaling, then we are providing a placement. You will be clearing, you will be working on IT. That is our activities. Dhruva, if you'll get a job within 2 months, is the course continues. So Dhruva, okay, no matter you will get a job after joining within a 1 month or within a 1 day or within 2 months, okay, you can continue the session. Okay, no one will stop you. Okay, so just wait, guys. Okay. Sidhu, is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so inform to the Imraj, okay, and continue the session.
Yes, sir. You will take.
Okay, so guys, just wait for a couple of minutes, okay. Imraj will continue with the Java part, okay, Java stuff.
Hi guys, good morning. Morning everyone. I'm audible. Online students, I'm audible. Yeah. Okay guys. Just give me 2 minutes. I will start the session. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay guys, so we can start. So once again, good morning to everyone. Online students, I'm audible. Leave yes. Quickly acknowledge me, everyone, in chat box. Yes. Okay, guys. Thank you for the acknowledgement. So as I have told you that I'll be taking care of the Java part. Okay. So let's just start with some basic session of the Java. Before understanding a Java, there are few things that we need to understand. See, if in case we are learning any technology, there should be some background knowledge you should be available. Yes. Before that, yesterday some of your friends asked like, sir, there are a variety of the languages in the market like Node.js, and something called Python and C++, etc. As I told you that there are more than 600 plus languages that backend languages that are available today in the market. Then why are you providing Java? Yes. So it's my time for me. It's my time now to give you an answer that why exactly you have to learn the Java. Okay. Before learning the Java, what is Java? You should understand. Before understanding what is Java, what is that programming language we need? Before understanding what is programming language, what is the computer, how did it came into the existence, what are the what was the lifestyle, background of the people before this comes something called computer. Let's try to understand. As I told you that in here in the BTS, what we'll do, we'll take you from the scratch. Okay, from the scratch. So let's begin with this. So are you guys ready? Yes. थोड़ी एनर्जी है मैं खाया नहीं कुछ सुबह हाँ चलो ठीक है स्टार्ट करते हैं so let's proceed ahead guys. See, mainly the device, the computer at that time was introduced to solve the complex problem. For an example, let me take the calculation problem. Now, if in case they want to perform some kind of calculation like arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what they used to do before the computers were invented, people what used to do, they used to count their by bare hand 1 2 3 4, you know, at some point of time it is well and fine and good, everyone are happy. If the complexity of the program, the calculation is going to increase, is it possible to calculate by bare hands? Is it possible? Not possible. You cannot solve the big complex that is problems by your bare hands. So what happened? People started using something called ledgers. Ledgers means, you know, a big book. Before 1990s, if you have visited a bank, ask your parents, they would have seen this kind of scenarios. When you go to a bank and you try to deposit the money, then what they'll do, they'll collect the money, but they'll not store in a computer. They'll open a big book and they'll search your name here, oh, here his name is there, then we'll deposit like this. And if you go cross some border and all, if you try to withdraw the money from the same branch, if it is there, no, they will not allow you that. Why? Because your detail does not exist over there. Understanding, first of all, finding the complex, solving the complex problem is difficult, and that is availability of the information, the data throughout the places is also not possible. So to overcome this problem, let's leave the second problem. We'll see that later. Let's focus on the first problem. That is, we want to do the calculation, the complex calculation. So bare hands was problem. So they started using the ledgers. And you might have seen in the movies, they'll show you, right? Like this, there will be some prisoner, he'll be counting his days as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Yes or no? So people started used to calculate the data like this. As okay, 1, 2, 3. If the problem complexity even more, if it is increasing, then it is not possible to solve this. Such kind of a solution is not possible. So they want to overcome this problem. So what happened in 1940s? Okay, in 1940s, what happened? A person came. And what he did, okay, boss, let's try some kind of this complex problem to be solved by a machine. Okay, machine, is it possible? You know, we humans, something new thing, if it comes into the market, what will happen? We'll be very excited. Yes or no? Like that, okay. In 1940s, he introduced one machine. Okay, I believe you people have seen this machine. Such kind of diagram you would have seen in your graduation. No? EC students, EC EEE students might have seen. Anyone has any idea on this one? No? Okay, let me give the name for this one. It will be something known as something called MUPI. Microprocessor. Yes? Yeah, some yes, some no is there. Yeah, fine. Okay, MUPI, that is microprocessor. I believe I need not to go in depth about explaining microprocessor. What is a microprocessor? It is nothing but a machine that is being made up of number of transistor, PNP, NPN transistor. They would have combined and they have created one microprocessor. So what is a microprocessor? It is nothing but an electronic device. What kind of electronic device? This one such machine, it will take the input, it will process the input, and it is going to generate the output. Now tell me, is it very difficult to understand this one? No. Is one electronic machine that will take the input, process the input, and generate the output. Okay, but they made one condition that since it is an electronic device, it will not understand our human language, right? If I tell, hey, you do this and do that, means will not he'll do? He'll not at all respond. Why? Because it is a machine. To make it understand what we need to do, we need to speak in his language only. So what does a machine understand? What does a microprocessor understand? The signal, the power input, how you are going to give it to. You might have heard this one like 0 volts, 5 volts, like this. Yes, you might have seen if you go to any ECG machine, the heartbeat, how it will be going like this, something will be going, right? This is happening based on the what is that power you are passing. If you are giving 5 volts, means it will go up, 0 volts, means it will come down. Like this, it will be happening. Okay, I'm not expert on this one, but I'm just trying to give you some idea. So like that only, 0 volts, 5 volts is fine. That is fine for EC department, means electrical background people, they will understand 0 volts, 5 volts. But we are from CS background, what we will understand. So let's make it some changes inside this one. We'll make it 0 volts as 0 input, 5 volts as 1 input. Okay, now what is the definition? It will become this microprocessor is nothing but a electronic device that takes the input, processes the input, generates the output, but input should be in the form of either 0 or either 1. Apart from 0, 1, you give anything, it will not understand. To 1, 2, 3, 4 also it will not understand. Either you should give 0 or either you should give. Is it clear? This much is clear. So this device was invented. Okay, what is the help that advantage of using this device? A person came in 1940s only. Now he introduced one language also, so that that language can be given to this particular machine and it will generate the output for us. He told, okay, boss, what kind of operation you want to do? Arithmetic operation, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, let me write it here. Let me tell you, there are something called add, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, these are the operations I want to perform. He told, okay, boss, you give this information to my microprocessor and he will understand. Okay, and he introduced in one language in 1940 something called, what is that? I'll tell it as machine level language. Okay, machine level language. That is MLL, machine level language. What is machine level language? It is nothing but one such language that is completely made up of by the combination of either zeros and ones. He told, okay, you want to perform the addition, just give it as 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 like this. Subtraction 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and multiplication 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 like this. And for division 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 like this. Means such kind of input you give to the microprocessor, it will take, it will process, and it will generate out. Okay, people told, is it possible? Really possible? How is it possible? Calculation done by humans, right? Because where addition, where subtraction, we can understand. Where machine will understand. He told, no, boss, it is possible. Just give this microprocessor, machine level language to your microprocessor. It will take, process, and generate. Okay, when the people started using this machine, it started giving the correct answer. Oh, we humans, right? Something new comes into the market and it is working, and that too it is making our life easy. Yes or no? Big problems are being solved by a machine. It's of you taking all the hard work, machine is taking, and the output is coming, means definitely you'll be happy, right? So everyone started liking this. Okay, 1940s, 30s, that machine level language, everyone started using, and this microprocessor came into the market. Yes, understood till here? Now, right, one more thing, that we humans, we will never get satisfied with the things. Yes or no? Today, we have iPhone 10, tomorrow we require what? iPhone 14. Why? Because always we look for the upgradation. We'll never get satisfied with the things what we have. Now, when this language was introduced, people started using. Initially, everyone were happy. But later, what happened? After some days, the frustration started in an IT. Why frustration was? Using this language, started writing the software also. Okay, they started creating a software. Now, tell me, if this language, if I start 0101 from that corner until that corner, I would have written. Okay, 0, everything is the combination of 0, 0, 0, 0, I have written. After some days, clients comes and tell me that, no, but I want to make a small changes. Instead of addition, I want to do subtraction. Then what you have to do? In which line exactly the change has to be done? Everything 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, you have to go find the exact 0, 1, then only you have to change them. Yes or no? Normal high-level languages like Java, where the code is written in normal English-like statement, like print hello world. Common sense, we can understand that it will print hello world, right? But in this kind of language, H represents some kind of number. That is A, some number, D, some number, another D, some number. Like this, we would have written. In that, if we ask the person to make the changes, what he will do? He'll scratch his head and he'll run away, right? Yes or no? Because it is very, very, very difficult to deal with the numbers for the humans. Understanding? So, initially people were happy. But later what happened? The frustration started in an IT. Now this problem need to be solved, right? So that is the reason in 1950s, okay? In 1950s, one more person came. 1950 50s, one more person came, and what he did, he introduced one more language named as something called assembly level language. Okay, boss, what is this assembly level language? When the people ask, he is told that, hey guys, why are you using such kind of zeros and one? It is very difficult to remember. Make use of my assembly level language, which is the combination of acronyms and synonyms. Okay, what does it mean? How does it look like? You show me when people ask. He told that for addition, you make use of something called ADD. Okay, for subtraction, SUB. For multiplication, MUL. For division, DIV. Use these kind of things. Now, people start, this is so difficult when compared to this one and this one. This is easier. Now, can you tell me what is the assembly level language for multiplication code? What is it? Multiplication. Assembly level language. Understanding what I'm trying to say? क्या है कोड? क्या लिखा था मैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन में? MUL राइट? हाँ, तो इतना क्या है सोच रहे हो भाई? हाँ, कोई difficult क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया क्या? नहीं ना? हाँ, that is what. So MUL easy, you can for division you can easily tell, right? What is it? DIV. Now, can you tell me what is the code for that is machine level language for multiplication? Can you tell us? Not possible. Why? We are humans, yeah. It is not, even I don't remember this. Every class I'll write a new word. Whatever I get in my mind, I'll write it. That is the thing. Why? Because we are very bad at remembering numbers. Shall I give you one real-time example? You have phone, right? In that contacts are there? Yes or no? How many contacts are there? I guess minimum more than 200 is there. Yes or no? Now, how many numbers do you remember? 5, 10, 15 max. Let me take 20. After that, do you remember? No. Why? Because we humans are very bad at remembering numbers. But instead of number, if you want to find you want to call anyone, don't name you remember. Easy. Like that only. These things remembering are very easy rather than remembering numbers. Okay, when this assembly level language was introduced, person came and told, hey, assembly is there, you use it, please, will you use that? Oh, why? Because we humans always required a proof. Yes or no? Then only we'll jump to something, right? So he told that assembly level language give to the machine, same problem will be solved easily. We told, okay, give us the proof. When people came and gave this assembly level language to the microprocessor, you know what microprocessor did? He told that get lost, I will not execute. Why? Alright, microprocessor understands zeros and ones. This was combination of zeros and one. It understood. But here what is ADD, SUB, MUL. He tell no, I will not execute. Please get lost. So what he did to overcome this problem, the translation need to be done from assembly level language to machine level language, right? To do that, he introduced one software. You might have heard this software name very commonly. Let me write here as assembler. Okay, heard about this software? No? Okay, easy students might have heard, don't worry, it is just one software name. What is this assembler? It is nothing but one software that will take the input as assembly level language, process it and generate the respective machine level language. Okay, it will you just give this ADD to this assembler, he will give the respective machine level code. Okay, it will be generated. That input when you give to the microprocessor, don't you think that microprocessor was expecting zeros and ones only, and it is giving the zeros and ones only? Yes, definitely it will understand and it will take the input, process it and generate out. Oh, once again, people are very happy. Instead of writing machine level, writing just like this single names and acronyms only, this giving solution. People were very went crazy and everyone started using this assembly level language. Okay, and as you know, we humans never get satisfied, right? So you will get satisfied, huh? All right. See, play one girlfriend, tomorrow one more girl. Okay, let's come back here. So assembly level language is there now. So people started using. Now, ask the students who are from EC and Triple. They had one lab called microprocessor. Okay, how difficultly they have cleared it. They used to copy, they used to take a chits, all the things they would have done. Why? Because we humans are very bad at remembering this. Why? Because these are just some keywords. If 1, 10, 15, 50 keywords, yes, we can easily remember. There are thousands of keywords. How will you remember? Yes, it is possible to remember. Now, in a class, tell me, if some 15, 20 students are there, means I can remember. If there are 200 students, means can I remember their names? Remembering their phone numbers is definitely difficult. Now, names is easy. If more number of students are there, remembering their name is also easy. No, it is not possible. So by using at that time, what is a better solution? I can identify them. Hey, that color shirt, that color, this one, this like this. I can identify, right? So what happens here is when people started assembly level language, initially they were happy. They started writing the softwares. They started creating everything. But as I told you that. Remembering so many acronyms is also difficult for humans. So this was also started creating a frustration in an IT. So we required some new solution. At that time, what happened? In 1960, one more fellow came, and what he did, he introduced something called high-level language. High-level language. He told, hey, are you guys good? Why are you using ADT, SUB, MUL to perform the same simple operation called addition, subtraction? Instead of that, please make use of something called a plus, minus, star, and slash. Okay, we humans are very good at remembering symbols and pictures. Yes or no? Now, if I let me ask you some 1 or 2 years back, or let me recently, you might have studied some subject. Okay, if I ask any questions on that, will you be able to answer? No, right? If I ask you the movie which you have seen 10 years back, will you be able to tell that? Yes, who is the hero, who is the heroine, what is the story, how villain died, everything will tell, right? But just some few days back which you have studied, if I ask anything, you will not. Why? We humans have been trained our minds in such a way that we are good at remembering symbols and pictures rather than remembering in numbers and numbers. Okay, definitely if I ask what is the code for multi subtraction, will you be able to tell what is it? Minus. Okay, if I ask you this one, you'll never tell that. Yes. Like this. Now, when he introduced this high-level language and he told that you want to perform the addition arithmetic operations. Okay, we humans, never agree directly. So what he did? They gave this high-level language to the microprocessor, and what microprocessor will do? It will do it. No, he will scold us again. Why? He will understand zeros and ones. If you give plus and minus, what he'll do? He'll give left and right. Hey, no, I will not execute. So here also one problem. To overcome that problem, one software was introduced. This software definitely would have. Okay. Heard about something called compiler. Very commonly is there. You use right this word. So what he did, they introduced something called compiler. What is the compiler? Compiler is nothing but one software that will take the input as high-level language, okay, and generate the respective machine-level language. Will take high-level, generate the immediately machine-level language. What does machine-level language consist of? 0 sign 1. Microprocessor can understand 0 sign 1, sir. That time what happened? When the people with the help of compiler gave high-level language, it took the input, processed the input, and generated the respective output. Now, in 1960s, guys, exactly when the high-level language was introduced. Understanding what I am trying to say? Now, today's world, what is this? 2023. That is in 1960. Till today, in an IT, we are using something called high-level languages only to write our programs or develop our software. You might have heard C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, all the 6 languages there. All the languages are high-level languages. There is no replacement for that till today. Understood? Why? That from when the high-level language concept was started. Now remember that is as I told, more than 600 plus high level languages are available. Till today I was saying that 600 plus languages are available. Now I am telling 600 plus high level programming languages are available. In that, why you should learn Java only? Yes, that is a question, right? To give you answer on that also. But tell me, is there any doubt till here? Understood? Online students, any doubt till here? Please acknowledge me. Guys, online, either unmute or you can ping me in the chat. Clear? Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. You can copy this. You can copy this if you in case you require. Quickly, make it fast. नहीं लिखना है क्या? Recording है? नहीं है. See guys, in my class, even the recording is there. I'll make you write the notes in my class itself. See, when you write now, something you will understand about the syntax. Once the syntax is clear, next time when you are writing, you will start getting some doubts. That doubt session is what I like it in my class. Don't simply sit, ask the doubts. Something or other thing you ask. Okay, but you should be interactive. Do not hesitate. Okay, treat me as your trainer only, not friend also. It is wrong thing, but treat me as your trainer. Outside, you can treat me as your friend. Okay, but ask the doubts. Whatever doubts, I am here to clear it. Okay, copy fast. Video is lagging. No, guys, I don't think so. Today, video is lagging because I also have a screen. I can see everything is working fine. Check your internet connections. One second. In video, it is not looking fine, but here it looks good. Assembler it is a compiler. Video, it is not at all visible what happened. Okay. Make it fast. Completed? Online candidates, is it done? Online students completed? Yeah. Take down the definition of microprocessor. You write down just heading as microprocessor. Below that you write down. It is an electronic device. It is an electronic device which takes the input which takes the input as zeros and ones, and process the input and generates the output and generates the respective output Okay. Next subheading you write down as assembler, and below that you write down as it is a software which is used to convert assembly level language into machine level language. Okay. Next subheading you take down as compiler, and below that you write down it is a software which is used to convert high level language into machine level language. Okay. Is it clear? See guys, I believe today's session was helpful. Okay, about testing now also you got some informative information, and about the Java, some scratch we have started. Okay, what I want you to just dedicate your 2 hours daily. Okay, just dedicate 2 hours and see that how your knowledge will be increased. Okay, so due to time lack, we'll wind up our session here and we'll see tomorrow. Okay, we'll continue. Okay, any doubt till today? No? Fine, guys. Then thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.